Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to edit G-code in PrusaSlicer. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So we will go, let's say, through easiest method. So this is the best method if you want to perform a manual action mid-print, such as pausing to insert a magnet, changing a filament color, or changing the printing temperature for a specific section. So, you will import your object on the plate, and what you're going to do is just slice. Just like that, you will find a slice button right here at the bottom of 3D editor view. So you will have it right here. Now we are in preview mode. So what we need to do, use the vertical slider bar on the right side of the screen, so this one right here, to move up and down through the layers until you find the exact height where you want the change to happen. So let's say we want this to happen somewhere here, let's say like that. Right click the slider, right click the small plus icon right here, right click, and on the layer, and what we need to do is we can now select one of the pre-made action from the menu. So we can add color change M600. So pause the print and prompts to your swap filament. Then we have add pause. We can pause the machine so you can drop in nuts, magnets, or weights. And we can also change here add custom G-code. So open a text box where you can type any raw code you want, and to change, yeah, you can change, for example, nozzle temperature to higher or lower. You can also have here change extruder, so whatever you prefer. So as you can see here, click OK, and what we need to do is we will reslice this, so the software will automatically reslice the file with your new comments. And yeah, basically this is how you can change and edit G-code in specific layer. Like as I mentioned, you can also create totally custom G-code, so you can edit right here. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next